So let's move on to the next course where we are going to see the writing settings. So again, it can be found under settings. You come to writing. So this typically contains all the settings related to writing your blog content for your website. So these are the options, different options which the writing settings page provides. The first one you can see it's formatting. So this is something which came recently, like when you type these emoticons, so they automatically get converted into the small emoticon symbols, the graphic on display. The second setting they have is that WordPress should correct invalidly nested XHTML automatically. This is like if you've left some unopened tags or certain mistakes in the XHTML. So WordPress, this setting tells WordPress whether it should correct it automatically or not. So then there's a default post category. Whenever you create a new post, if you remember on the right side, we need to choose the category. So now you can also assign a different category as the default setting here. Then also there's the default post format. So we saw the default post formats. They were like image blogs, gallery blogs, links, quotes, etc. So you can set the standard as the default, or in case you write more of image blog posts, then you can set the image setting as the default one. So then they also have a post via email option, where you can send an email to a particular email ID, and that will automatically post the content on the site for you. So this email ID, they say this has to be a secret email account. You'll have to set it up either with your hosting provider, and those details you need to input it here. And also here for the email, also you can give uh, the which category it has to by default go. And also, like, you can even specify the exact the category in your email as well. So this particular link has more information on how to exactly configure this blog by email. This is a feature which was earlier used, but here now I think it's pretty much easier to make a blog post by coming to the WordPress site rather than using this email feature. It is more or less deprecated. So then also there's an update service, like whenever you publish a new post, WordPress will automatically notify this particular update service. You can also choose to have other update services here, so that like whenever you write a blog and publish, those services will be notified. So here, same as the previous one, once you've done making your changes, just click save changes, and those changes are now active in the site. So that's pretty much it about the writing settings.